In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and decide if you want to delete your pictures from Photos or Collections section on the left. Let's start with Photos. Hold one of them, and to select multiple, use those icons at the top left corner of each section. After selecting all of your photos to delete, make sure you never select more than 100. You can see count over here, because Photos app won't let you delete more than 100 photos at once. Just a quick tip. To keep some, tap on them, and to get rid of the rest, click on Delete button over here. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Got it in the first one, and move to Trash in the second one. If you want to delete them from Collections, do exactly the same after picking one of your folders. The only difference is no bin icon is located at the top right corner next to the shopping cart, so click on it and tap on Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!